Hi, my name is Liz, and I am so excited that you're taking this course on color, teaching your colors how to play well with others. Color is amazing, and in this course you are going to learn a lot, I promise. If you're making muddy colors, this course is going to help you make nice, clean colors. If you don't know where to start making colors, this course is going to give you all the tools to make colors that you want. You want to match that color? Yep, you can do it. Made a color that you forgot how you made it? I'm going to show you exactly how to go about matching that color again so you can do that over and over again. During this course, you're going to develop a much better relationship with color and a much more nuanced relationship with color. And through these lessons and through your work, you are going to have a notebook full of information that you created, things that you can look back on. If you're a beginner, this is going to completely demystify how to mix colors. Yes, you're going to learn what your primaries are, but more important, you're going to learn a direction that your primaries lean. And this is going to be the key to mixing good colors. If you are an intermediate painter and you've already been painting for a while, this is going to really add to your knowledge base. In fact, I've had very accomplished painters come back to me many months later saying, "Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much I learned in your course and how I'm able to use it in so many different ways on the paintings that I'm doing now." It won't matter if you use watercolor, acrylic, or oil, because all the rules are the same, and the rules are very easy to learn. I'm going to be using oil paints, but again, as I said, you may use whatever you want. You might even want to try more than one medium just to play with all the different mediums that you have and compare and see just how fluid and how consistent color rules are. The only thing that I do ask is that you do the exercises, because these are your notes and they're yours forever. Once you download this course, it's yours. So I really look forward to seeing you in class. I can't wait to teach you what I know, and I can't wait for you to have all this information. See you soon. Bye.